everyone, I'm Sally and this is Didsbury Art Studio. Welcome. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit more fabric slashing, and today I'd really like to have a go at using some denim fabric and some of the coloured fabrics that I've got. I'm going to change the design, so let's get into it. So this is my inspo. This was a mind map I did recently in another video. So I'm going to take this design here, which I've already drawn out on the fabric with a chalk pencil. And now I'm going to just grab some scraps that I'd sort of kept hold of. We are going to get into using some of these. And I'm going to lay these out. Let's try that one. Hello! Not too thick. What colours do we think would go best with this denim? This is where I'm up to so far. I've sewn the whole thing. I've started cutting through the layers, giving it a little sort of frayed edge there. And I was just going to show you how to do this last one over here. Snip the side there, and I'm just going to cut through. I've cut out around through all of the design and gone through many layers, and I've kind of roughed it up to make that frayed effect, and I'm going to put it in the washing machine now. So that's it, finished, and it's frayed loads, but that's the effect I was looking for. So yeah, very happy with the result. That's the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed it today. Then please do subscribe. And the only thing that's left to do is a bit of a tidy up.